Blue's Clues. Blue's Snowy Day. A Lift the Flap story. Hi, it's me, Steve. Guess what? It snowed last night. Would you like to help us find things to do on a snowy day? You would? Great! First, you need a warm breakfast. How many breakfasts did we make? Blue and magenta. You want to play Blue's Clues? That's a great idea. We'll play Blue's Clues to figure out what Blue's favorite winter treat is. Keep your eyes out for Blue's paw prints. They will be on the clues. That was a healthy winter breakfast. Now let's get dressed for our snowy day. What warm things do we already have on? Will you find something woolly for us to wear on top of our heads, around our necks, and covering our hands? What color is your winter jacket? What winter clothes are we wearing? Good job! Now we're warm and toasty. Hey, look at the funny shapes in the snow. Could those be Blue's toys that were left out in the snowstorm last night? How many snow shapes do you see? Can you tell what they are? Brr! Winter is cold. Can you think of other words to describe winter? Do you know which shape is not a toy? Oh, what's that? Do you see a clue? You are good at finding things to do on a snowy day. What else can we do? Do you think we can make things with snow? Hey, Magenta's making something. Do you know what it is? What is Blue doing? Here's something you can make with snow. Make a snowman. Number 1, pat and roll snow to make 3 snowballs. Number 2, stack the snowballs on top of each other. Number 3, decorate your snowman any way you wish. Look, Shovel and Pail built a snow house for Blue and Magenta to play in. Does anyone else have a home outside in the winter? What about animals? Can you find 3 animal homes? Now let's go inside our home and warm up. You are amazing! You found a rabbit's burrow, an owl's nest, and a fox's den. Now let's find something to do indoors. What snowy thing can we make with a white sheet of paper? How to make a paper snowflake. Number 1, cut a circle from a white sheet of paper. Number 2, fold it in half. Number 3, fold it in half again. Number 4, snip shapes along the edges. Number 5, unfold to see your snowflake. Did you find all 3 of Blue's clues? Way to go! That means we're ready for our thinking chair. Let's go! Do you remember what our 3 clues were? A carton of milk, a kitchen pot, and chocolate. So what could Blue's favorite winter treat that needs milk, a kitchen pot, and chocolate? Blue wants hot chocolate. You're right. When you mix milk and chocolate in a kitchen pot, you make hot chocolate. Thanks for helping us figure out Blue's Clues. And thanks for helping us find things to do on a snowy day. Make sure a grown-up helps you heat the pot on the stove. Marshmallows, please. Hey, what's your favorite winter treat? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Blue's Clues stories, check out my Blue's Clues playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.